No politician no do when me do a Mountain View and around Jamaica. Hundreds of thousands of people, money, millions spent through my hand transparently. Me no say no MP, no politician ever do that in a no constituency where them run for.
In this video, we'll take a look at this woman by the name Aunty Donna. She is a humanitarian, a philanthropist, and she is helping a lot of Jamaicans. She has this strong message for the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness. So let's listen to her message and we'll come back and talk about it. But before that, if you haven't yet liked this video, kindly like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Let's watch it together.
Me see one man going to go take out dog. Or jump in a gully go save life, and Andrew Holness give him award. Me build how much house in a Jamaica, me send how much picnic at school. No politician no do when me do a Mountain View and around Jamaica. Hundreds of thousands of people, money, millions spent through my hand transparently. Me no say no MP, no politician ever do that in a no constituency where them run for. But through me a ghetto and through me a bagger and through people take me name and say all manner of evil things about me, uno hold it. Me say people when I do nothing go up on stage, uno fear look out for the poor people. I mean I talk and I put my mouth in the dirt. Me I talk to my Prime Minister. Me I talk to the man who run Jamaica. Me da Jamaica for 5 years, Andrew Holness. Me love you, gone to bed. And when me wake up this morning, God say, get it off of your chest. When me look and me say, oh, people over here come out for me. Andrew Holness, the 5 years when me da mountains you are do. And when no politician did fear do. And me always used to come out and say, me I take some of the work off on the shoulder. The picnic them we go to school. The food and the grocery them we buy. The disabled hospital and Bellevue. Jamaica school for the blind when me drop yellow bus. When me support, when me send people, when me find down to sheet pampers. And things we uno as government to facilitate and make sure say them get. Uno never do it. The hundreds of people will turn up at 99, the amount of hospital bill, the amount of prescription, the amount of food with 99. Donna Marie go fine. Uno as politician of Jamaica, me not lick out again to know, but me speak my truth and not because me there here. Because if me did come up America for this and it happen, me would have come back to Jamaica come talk. Uno is a set of biased, one-sided people in a government. Uno no look down in the lower class and a lower class of people from ghetto make uno win election. Because uptown people no business with uno if uno win or not. Because them now come out come shape bell, or them now come out come Tomfis, or them now do nothing. Booklet, school, tablet over the 5 years. This woman not doing nothing in a Jamaica or no way in the world can't come out and say that woman you get me money. And she not do what she said to do with it. Talk up. Me take me pay on $1 million for come for me. Every dollar you give me in a phone. And no recipient now no secret for me. And because me and nobody of caliber. You no sidestep me. That's why you no send in the last part of come. Me no look for nobody. Because I make it thus far without the help of any government official or the only that set of biased people. Guess what? Me shine too much. My name called too much. You never see it. You never see it. Booklet, school fee, the whole of them, everything when me do nothing under the rug. Everything they on social media line out. But check my page. From Portland, Westmoreland, every parish in Jamaica, my hands stretched so. The donor them up America, up Jamaica, up Canada, up England, up France, up down to American soldier them support my program like say them are Jamaican. Because them see me. And them say, no man, that woman is cut above from the rest. Me do it honestly. And when me come to America and see how foreign people are go crazy over me. Not just here, you know. Me a walk and people are lay with me. For me goodness. For a woman from the ghetto we use our social media platform not to tear down others, not to build bridge against others, not to bypass others, but to help others and help others on the way. If me come out and me say me want $1 million now Planka Nation for help, I show me that Jamaica. If me never left and come America, hurricanes pass by, me would have supply how much zinc and board and nail and show how it's done. And every nail and every zinc and every piece of paper when me buy would have come out to public, make public see. Me no want acknowledgement from nobody. Me attack my mind now. Me just attack when I come to America and see the reception that I got. Me put up, me say me go keep my birthday all white. And 9 person me I tell Sebastian got this morning. Say message me already want tickets and I'm ready for pay. And me say no, I'm not ready for pay it at January me born. Wait till when me settle. Me not even get my money from the event yet. So make me settle and sit down. No. People are saying, I don't want this Miss Me Donna. Me have to there your birthday and nobody bring no cheer. Set it up like a birthday party. So let me tell you now, American people, when I come here and everybody will support me over the years, me say I will kiss on a foot bottom. Because me never know if a little bit of Donna could have come a foreign. The great icon out of Jamaica, Buju Bantana, keep Amazon concert. And it sell out. When it sell out, me never know if my one could have gone and people would have dropped Buju to come see me. Some come at me and say, Auntie Donna, me I run go Buju, me have to come show me support. When me looking at Amazon, me and the people them and say, lady, who you? The people them all want to meet me and I say, we're working, they say, oh yo, me see big artists come here and I not see them a crowd here in here. Remember, say me sell out my event before me even talk, say me have gospel artists on it. Me sell out my event before me even talk, say me a put up artists. That means say me never need no artist. The lady tell me. She said, you don't need no artist. You don't need no introduction. You don't need nobody for sell ticket to America. Because America people love you. She said, when she show me some message where people send her, me no need nobody. Me no need no big artist. Me that try to get big artists and the whole of them did book out. The lady say, you don't need Eventbrite. Eventbrite no know who me, you know. Eventbrite asked the lady if I am some sort of celebrity that is coming to Amazon because the people are going crazy for ticket. You think I show me? I show me work when me do. Me honesty kind of people. Me don't of them never see my type yet. Me no hide nothing. No don't can't say, oh, Auntie Donna did get this money today. And she don't call it out. I don't swear she do it more than she says she get. If me are the only smarty pan platform on social media, when money come and me get, if me say me want 10,000 and it come, me stop doing that, me come public and me put up a note. And me say, Planka Nation, me no want no more money tap. If me ask for the give somebody $100 and me see it I go to 5 and me say, we no send no more. And that me do. Me no want no hanky-panky. Me no want no foolishness. Nobody can give me undercover. No donor can give me nothing on social media. No. From me I do this 5 years. No donor in a history. Never give this woman nothing. Me never get no money from no donor. Anything where they give me, if them bless me with nothing, me come on me live and me sit down and me make them video me and me say, John give Mary $5. Auntie Donna $5 and me call it out. And when them offer me things, me tell them, give me staff. Me good. And when me broke and no money, me good. Because I never want people have nothing over me. And that is why I can hold my head and walk to this level. Me come America, how much people want book me if come promote them shop, promote them restaurant. Me I got foreign, me I got Spanish supermarket, half license, mini supermarket today if go promote it. Me never know so them opportunity awaits me in America. How much me just there 2 weeks, you know, yesterday Sunday make 2 weeks me there, you know. And me just come to New York. And before that, somebody keep something there so them want me to come. Somebody keep something. The whole of the state, them people invite me to come. And me are no celebrity. Because me no singing career to my name. Me no, well, me have like acting when me come in and play with Audrey them. To my name. So me just come out to say thanks. Jamaica never see it, but America see it. And I tell you now, everybody donate over here, so. Everybody. And at that event, there was a mixture of the rich, the poor, the lawyer, the doctor, the teacher, the nurse, the office attendant, the hotel. Everybody was there. The police them left. The police them left from another state to come see me and then pop off my wig in there. The wig pop off and my head and I never get to meet up with the police officer them who want to meet me. The wig drop off and me have to walk and hold my head so come me and say, Jano, look how me coconut there and me come a foreign and me have so much wig and I never bring a spare wig. And the lady grab me ear, my ear itch in the flowers something and she had dried and the whole side so tear. You know, I make it. A week where you buy so them party a tin. And for the whole night the wig a drop off and I say I don't want that episode there. I want something. Me have to go hold long this if my wig ever drop off in here. Is that this me could come out because then that says see there or if I'm going at the bathroom.
Welcome back. So this woman has really been helping the country of Jamaica for some time through her humanitarian activities, making donations to schools, hospitals, and other institutions in the country of Jamaica. And I believe her message to the Prime Minister is very timely in the sense that a lot of politicians are not paying attention to helping build a better life for the citizenry. Now, just as she stated in the video, it looks like almost every Jamaican has to leave the country of Jamaica, travel outside the country to a different land. Normally, they travel to the United States in order to earn a very good living over there. Then they return back to their country, Jamaica, in order to help the country. I think this is a very good thing that some of Jamaicans who have traveled and are in the diaspora are doing to help the country of Jamaica. But I think it is time that the government stand on its feet, work to help and make the lives of the average Jamaican better. A lot of politicians do not take into consideration things that will help the citizenry. All they think about is themselves and things to make their life, their personal life and their family better at the expense of the taxpayer or the ordinary Jamaican. So I believe that this message will be sent to the various people in authority for them to have a renewed mind, for them to change their ways. Because just looking at an individual from her own resources and from donations that she has been able to accumulate from individuals, she is able to do a lot for the country. She's able to do a lot for her community. How much more you, the politician, who all the taxes of the nation go to for you to use that to develop the country, and you are not doing it. Meanwhile, people are using their personal money, personal assets to help the ordinary people of Jamaica. It is about time that the government set up and put measures in place in order for development to be accelerated in the country of Jamaica. I'd also use this medium to thank all Jamaicans in the diaspora who are contributing towards this cause. I will encourage a lot of you to also do it, because not everyone will have the opportunity to travel outside of Jamaica. There are some people who would definitely not be able to travel out in order to have a better life. So if you have been able to get a better life, just pick an example from this woman by the name Auntie Donna, and also help your community. And this will help the Jamaican population as a whole. For the politicians, I know when you talk about things like this, it will put them on their toes, and they will also begin to work to help develop the country of Jamaica. Thank you very much for watching this video. I would want to know what you think about this video in the comment section below. So comment down below whatever you think about this video in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like this video and share, and then don't forget to also subscribe to the channel. Just click the subscribe button down here, click on the subscribe button, click as well on the notification bell, and I'd like to see you again in my next video.